guys, so today I'm back to do more reactions on Nctwish, and in this video I'm gonna be reacting to all of the performance type of videos that I can find of them that I am able to actually put up on YouTube. So that's what I'm gonna be doing today. So I'm really excited to see all of the dances in general. So we're gonna start with the NCT new team Hands Up opening act from the NCT concert that they did last year. So I'm pretty sure this is the first time they actually were shown to the world as a group, maybe, I think. So yeah, we're gonna start with this and then we're gonna continue to reacting to more of their performances. Okay, ready? Okay, hands up. I'm so excited to watch this performance. Oh wow. Wait, who are these are they contestants? What? No, I guess they're just dance groups. Oh my gosh! Wow, this is so cool. Oh my gosh.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Their uniforms. Oh my gosh, Yushu with his hair back. Oh my gosh. Did I tell you guys that I really love this song? I've been hearing this song, listening to this song non-stop. When I'm going to work and coming, getting off work. Oh my gosh. I really love Ryo with his long bangs. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. Wait, where's Jaehee? There he is! Yes, I really love this part when they go Ola Ola. This is such a hype song. It's so fit for an opening act, whatever it is for this concert. Oh my gosh. I'm enjoying this so much, guys. Just looking at them is such entertainment. Oh, okay, so that was Yushi's part. Love that vocal. Oh guys, I love it when they go like this for Olo. Oh, I'm too obsessed. Oh, whoa, that was a cool, whatever he did with his hands. Oh my gosh, and I also can't wait to watch their dance practices. I'm probably gonna be doing that today. Cause I have a lot of time to film today. I'm just gonna watch everything. Oh my god. Jaehee, let's go! Oh my gosh, but it's kind of sad you can't see his face when he's singing that part. Aww. Oh my gosh. Oh, there he was! Okay, we don't really get to see him a lot in this screen, so there he is, my baby boy. Look at him dancing. Look, he's trying so hard. Look at this boy. Aww, look at him. He's so cute. Yeah, okay, let's move on. I mean, I just had to show you guys enough screen time for Jaehee, please. Oh, and I really love this hand thing that they're doing. Didn't they also do this in Songbird too? I think that they're like continue that, right? Whatever it is. Oh. Yay! Okay, so we're gonna just like move right on to their Wish performance for the SM Town Live that they did. Okay, let's watch this. So I heard that this was their official debut when they performed here, right? For this SM Town Live concert. Oh my gosh, but their outfit. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh, wait. Is Yushi wearing leg warmers? Wait, okay. Oh, okay, I shouldn't stop here. I should. He is. I love it already. Dang! No, Yushi. I love Yushi's outfit. Oh my gosh. The way they're dancing. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with Yushi's leg warmer. Oh my gosh, he can't do this to me. Kind of want to really see closely like all of the members' outfits. Oh my gosh, I love what Riku is wearing. Like his is very freely with a lot of. This is so cute, Sakuya, with like these ribbons hanging. Oh my gosh, and Yushi. Oh my gosh, Jay! Wait. Okay, I missed Jay's part. Yes. Oh my gosh. Jay! I love my boy. Oh my gosh. And what Sakuya is wearing is also cute. Like a half vest thing. Oh, and I feel like Shion is wearing... Because he's the leader, right? He has this like strap thing on. Like a pearl strap thing. That like kind of makes it feel like he's the captain. Like he's the leader. Oh my gosh. And the fact that their jackets are all like decorated in pearls. It makes them look like such angels. Like little prince angels. Fairies, cupids, whatever. Pushike. Whatever you want to call them. Call them. Wow. Jay! Oh my gosh, I'm so happy he's getting so many screen times here. Well, enough. Oh my gosh! Yo! Oh, his shirt is really cool. Oh my gosh, and the fact that Sakuya is wearing like such short shorts. Oh yes, my favorite part. When Jaehee's singing. Like Sakuya's jacket, it's kind of... Oh wait, is it a part of the shorts? Wait, I need to see that again when they're making a train. Oh, this is so cute. Yes, it's part of his shorts, Sakuya's shorts. It has like huge ribbons at the side. I'm obsessed. Okay, so that's how it ends. Guys, okay, so we're gonna just dive straight into them. Oh, okay, so they also performed this Wait, when did they perform this? I don't know. Is this like their showcase? Maybe it is. Because they're performing a whole bunch of songs. But I know 3 songs and I don't know... No, wait, I know... Yeah, and I don't know Sail Away and We Go. So this is going to be my first time hearing those 2 songs. Oh my gosh! White outfits again. Oh my gosh, the fact that like they always put them in like white outfits. Wait. Wait, Jaehee. He looks so determined. Look at him. He's like, I'm gonna make sure I rip this stage off. So cute. And Sakuya is just like so bubbly. His face is so round and chubby, you know, Sakuya. Oh yeah, and I was gonna say, yeah, so I just love the fact that they always have this white outfits on them. And the fact that always Yushi and Sakuya have shorts on. Oh, and Ryo also does here. That's cute. Oh my gosh. Ryo is so cute. Look at him. Oh my gosh. I probably will not get tired of this. This part. They made the choreography so well. Like obviously SM. But like they just know how to do it, I feel like. Oh my gosh. I can never get tired of this song and this performance. Oh my gosh, this is so cute how they do that when they say we're another one. And this part, like this song just has so many like point moves that I love and am obsessed with. Oh, that's cute. And I love what Ryo's wearing, like his shirt is really cute. Riku is so cute. Oh my gosh. Too cute. Too cute. Jaehee! Oh my gosh, I just realized Jaehee's like I knew he was taller than everyone else, but he is definitely tall. You can tell even from the performances when they're performing together that he's really tall. Yes, my favorite part. Jae in the middle. Oh my gosh. Yes, and I really love this part too when they're dancing like that. Like when they're lying together. That was so good. Okay, now they're gonna perform NASA. They're so cute. So I figured this NASA song, it has like the lyrics are like all mixed, isn't it? Like with Korean, Japanese, and English. Ooh, that was cool how Riku just did that. Oh, I didn't realize this. Oh, wow. Okay, I'm more excited to watch the dance practices now. Oh! This is a cool part. Oh! So my camera just stopped in the middle of that NASA performance, but I was saying that I kind of want to see all of the members dancing to that NASA, like each of their separate fan cams if they have one. But yeah, anyway, so I'm gonna just watch straight into Sail Away. Okay, so this is my first time watching Sail Away. Like listening to this song. Oh my gosh, Jay at the back, he's so tall. Oh yes, it definitely has that beach vibe. Jay! Oh my gosh, all their songs are so good. That's cute. Oh my gosh. And I also saw that they have a dance practice for this too, right? As well as We Go, so I'm definitely gonna be watching that as well. Ooh! That was a cool move. When Riku just did that, like as if he was strumming. This is a nice song too. I don't know, I just feel like for me, like Nctwish, they have such like songs that I like, the type of songs that I like. If there's any other word that can describe these boys other than like saying cute, can somebody please tell me? Because I've been saying cute so many times that I feel like I shouldn't anymore, like. But like that's all I can say. Like they're just so cute. Yes, this move. I love it so much. Oh my gosh, Sakuya going off. I mean, they're all going off. This part is really cute, how they're saying like, we're trying to catch a wave in the ocean. Oh, that was cute. Yushi and Yo. Oh, and I just love how they're wearing like these boots. Ooh! Wait, oh, okay, so Yushi is wearing this really cool boots thing. So cute. Oh, and I really love how Riku's wearing like such, like kind of like loose pants. It really suits him. Yay! Oh my gosh, the way they ended, that's really cute. Okay, so this is We Go. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is a Japanese song. Cute. Okay, so this is a dance with a bench. Oh my gosh, look at them sitting there. Like, I feel like whatever they do, it's just so cute. Jay! His smile. Oh wait! Sorry guys, I'm tripping. Okay, so this is a song I've heard before. Yes, we go. Okay. Why did I not remember the song? Okay. Yes. I've reacted to the MV, right? Oh, oh, because this is probably because this was the song where the MV was kind of like behind the scenes. I guess that's why it kind of took a while for me to remember. Like I would never have realized that they would have a performance, like a dance version of it, I guess. I'm so happy they do. Oh my gosh, Jaehee, where is he? Where is he looking? He's so cute. I love this part when they do this. So cute. Oh my gosh, how is Jaehee so cute? Like, I mean, everyone is cute, but I just find Jaehee so, like, endearing for me. Well, obviously, probably because he's my bias, right? Obviously, girl. Oh my gosh, do they have, like, keychains on their pants too? Like, I saw Ryo had, like... Oh my gosh, did you guys just see how Yushi was like, yeah, he was like looking at Shion and like Sakuya. The way they're like interacting with each other in this stage. Oh my gosh, Jay is like sweating so much. Oh. Yay! Okay, okay, so this is... So the last song is Hands Up. Yeah. I think I have enough. Hopefully. Oh my gosh. Wait, are they like performing the songs like in all in one go? Like all like the whole 15 minutes they're on stage like this? I think so, because they're sweating a lot like here now, which is really cool. I mean, the fact that they're doing all these 5 songs together in one go, that's cool. And I just love seeing them like sweat on stage because like they're dancing so hard. I don't know, it just makes it so like more real for some reason. Oh, this is a cool part. Oh my gosh. I am never gonna get tired of this. Like, I could just watch this whole day, like all day. Like all the different like stages, I'll be able to just watch it the whole day. And I will not get tired. I feel like Riku has like a lot of expressions also in when he's performing on stage. And Yushi just looks so much like a prince. Like he looks like that really calm prince. Oh my gosh, I really love the part when they're also going like this with their fist. It's so cute. And this wave too. I mean, they have such great, like, they have so many point moves. I think I mentioned that before, right? Yes, let's go, Jaehee! Oh my gosh, finally you get to see him when he's like doing that high note. The last part is so cool too. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh, look at them like dancing so hard. Wow, Shihoon's like sweating. Okay, so we're just gonna move straight on to watching their Killpo performances now. They have 3. Yeah. Okay, so not all of them are from Killpo, but so they have 2 Killpo and 1 from somewhere else, but we're gonna watch this. Oh my gosh, they're in this white outfit again. But I feel like this is also a different outfit. Oh my gosh, it's so cool how they always have like all white outfits, but they're all different outfits. And I just love and I just enjoy like watching it, like looking at the differences. Oh my gosh, look how frilly they are. Oh my gosh, Riku looks so good with that long hair at the back. And Sakuya too. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Their outfits, look at it. Oh my gosh, Jaehee. Oh, that change! Oh my gosh, here they really look like Peter Pan. Especially Shion, he looks like a Peter Pan. Oh, and Yushi too, kind of. Oh my gosh, I just love how Killpo always does that. With like the changes in the outfits, like the transition, it's just so cool. And you just like always get surprised, like. Oh, that's cute. Oh my gosh. And their necklaces, I think they all have like necklaces on them. Jenny! Oh my gosh, I think he also have, wow, okay, wait, I have to see that again. Okay, wait. So first I was gonna see okay, Shion, very cute. But I really wanted to see, can we go? Yes! My baby boy! I really love his long hair at the back too. And what is he wearing? He looks like a puppy. Okay, I should stop. Okay. And then the transition, right? Yes! I love it! Oh my gosh, look at Ryo's hat. So cute. Oh my gosh! Sakuya just winked. I'm just amused at whatever they do. Like, just like the smallest thing they do and I get so happy. I'm just like, oh my gosh, he winked! Oh my gosh, Jade! This part, yes! I love this part. When they're doing that jumping thing. When they're in line. Cute! Okay, we're gonna go straight into watching the Songbird from WOW performance. Yeah. Okay, wait, let's start that again. Oh, this is the outfit from their MV. Oh my gosh. I love the start of, like, I love how this starts, the song starts like this. It's just so cool. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, did you guys see what Yo did there? Oh my gosh, Jay in the front. Isn't it like almost like his first time being in center? I feel like it was for Jay. Because I don't think I realized. I didn't see him a lot in. Oh wow, oh wow, yeah, this. Oh, that transition was really cool. Oh my gosh. But like Riku's pants, the shorts, it's really cute. Let's fly! Oh, so cute. I love the chorus in this. Wait, did they just do this in the chorus? I think so. Yes, look! That's so cute. Oh my gosh, that is really cute how they did that for the chorus. I did not recognize that before. Oh yes, and this dance break. I love it. And I just love how Riku has like this knee strap on one of his knees, like the kneecap thing. It makes it much cooler. Is it because like he slides? Like does he have like a choreo that he slides somewhere or something? Jay in the center again. I'm just like so excited whenever I see Jay in the front. Oh! And I love this part when Riku is also whispering here at the end. With Yuji ending the song. Perfect. So the last video of this reaction video with Nctwish is going to be Songbird performance from their Killpo performance video. So let's just watch this together. Okay. Oh my gosh. They look so good in suits. But it feels like they changed their hair a little, like wasn't whatever. Wow, but they look so good in this suit. Are they going to have like a change? Wait. Is Jay wearing a three-piece suit? Yeah, he's wearing a three-piece suit. He looks so good. Look at him. Okay, wait. And the fact that he's in the center too. Yes! Look! He looks so cute. I mean, they look so cute even in like suits. It's so funny. But are they gonna, yeah, I was gonna say, are they gonna have a change in the outfit as well? Or is this just gonna be this outfit? Because this just says suit dance. But I really love Riku's jacket. Like the way it's like close with that buckle thing. That was cool. Wow, this Sakuya rap part is really cool. The way he's rapping. And Riku as well. His expression was everything. This is so cool how they did that with the like this concept of them having like suits, but the fact that like the maknae lines, like Sakuya and Ryo, like they are in suits, but the fact that like the stylist made them wear shorts is just so cute. So even if they're in suits, they look like just like little gentlemen, little gentlemen, like, you know. Cute. Wow. It feels so new. The whole performance feels so new because they're wearing such like different outfits from their like normal like cute outfits. Look at Jae. You can see his long legs so much better in this suit. And I just love the fact that he's the one that's wearing three-piece, guys. Like, you don't understand how cool that is. Like, how obsessed I am with that. Oh, and I just love this ending. Oh, that was everything, guys. Well, that was it for this video today, but I hope you guys enjoyed this reaction with me where I'm reacting to all the performances. And yeah, I will see you guys again in my next video. Bye!